I'm so excited you signed up for the Packaging Striptease workshop. You probably signed up because you wish customers would just show off your product. You want to capture their genuine excitement and real emotion without that paid influencer vibe. You're also probably busy running your business, so even though I know you need these strategies, you may not be able to make it live. You simply don't have the time or desire to do it yourself, and you want an expert like me to get it done so you can enjoy a return on your investment now. If you want to skip to the good part and get results faster, I'd love to hop on a quick call with you to see if working together can get you the results you're looking for. On this call, we'll take a look at your existing packaging to see what's working and what isn't. We'll identify what's possible for you and your business in the next 90 days and uncover barriers that prevent shoppers from buying your product. We'll develop a 3-step action plan that will get your results in your business ASAP. If this is exactly what you need, book a call right here and let's strategize the fastest way to get you to your biggest goal without the wait.